Hey guys, welcome. It's Mr. S here. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can actually create Phantom wallet and deposit Solana into it. So with that being said, and I'll also be teaching you guys. Lastly, I'll be giving you the last important tip. So with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So all you just have to do first is to download Phantom wallet. Come to your Google Play Store like this. Search here where you see Phantom wallet. You see something like you see this one. Click on it. Then click on download. So once you already download, click here where you see open. So you see an interface like this. So what you just have to do right now is to click here where you see this button here. Click on it. Then click here where you see create new wallet. Go back. Click here where you see create new wallet. Then you can use email to create it, or you can use recurring phrase. You can see create with email or create with recurring phrase. So you can use anyone, but I prefer you should use email, right? But me, I will be using recurring phrase, right? So all you just have to do right now is to click here where you see create using recurring phrase. Let me go back, then click on it. Then all you just have to do right is to use your device as authenticator. This does not really matter. All you just have to do next is to click here where you see next. Then they will show you your seed phrase. In case this place is dark, or in case this interface is dark, you know that my seed phrase is dark, but if it's not dark, I will cover it. So all you just have to do is to screenshot your seed phrase, right? Screenshot it. I'll also be copying it. Make sure to keep it in a very safe place. So once you are done with that, click here where you see okay, I have saved. Then click here where you see yes, I have saved. It's actually loading. So it will show you that your account is ready. So all you just have to do is to click here, see get started. Click there, see get started. So always check the description below on another video of how you can actually trade meme coin, right? I make a video, check it in the description. So click here, see Allah. So your interface will look like this. This is how your interface will look like without no Solana or no any crypto yet. So what we are going to do right now is that we are going to deposit Solana into it. So what you're going to do next is to come here to where you see bybit. Come here to your bybit. We are going to buy Solana here on bybit and transfer it to Phantom wallet. So what you're going to do right is to come here where you see more on bybit. Then we are going to buy USDT through peer to peer. Click here where you see peer to peer. So what we are going to do right now is to click here where you see filter. Click here where you see filter and click here where you see show only verified buyer. Click on it and click on confirm. Then let's say we want to buy Solana. Can click here to say we want to buy Solana, but we'll be buying USDT. Make sure it's on USDT. Then come here to where you see amount here. Click on amount. Let's say we are buying 30,000, right? Let's say we'll be buying, let us put 20,000. Then when you put 20,000, you click here where you see confirm, right? Click here where you see confirm. Then you see people that are available to buy from you, right? People that you want to buy for. Make sure to always check this order. The order should be more than 1,000, right? And the percentage should be more than 99 percentage or 98. So once you see this kind one, all you just have to do is to click here where you see buy. Click on buy. Still loading. Come in. Click on buy again. Then look for another one. If that is not available, then let's use this guy. Click here where you see buy. So it's still loading. So you see an interface like this, right? You see an interface like this. So what you're going to do next is to put the amount you want to buy. The amount, you put the amount again. Remember we put 20,000, you can put it again. 20, you'll be getting 12.99 USD. Then click here where you see buy. Click here where you see buy. You can read the buyer instructor. They will probably ask you to send your receipt, right? Click here where you see buy. So guys, you're going to see an interface like this, right? So what you're going to do next is to send the money to this send the money. You come here, you can see the interface here. If you want to chat the buyer, you can come here to where you see chat. Click here where you see chat. Contact the buyer like, are you online? Click on send. It's probably online because it shows 2 mark. All you just have to do is to go back here, right? To come here to where you see pay. Click here where you see pay. Click on pay. Click on pay. So yours will not be this. You are not going to send your account, your money to this the same person. Yours will be different seller. So the person is using palm pay, right? And this is the name and this is the account number. So I will be sending the money, the exact 20,000 to this exact DT right here. So if I send it, then I will come back to click here where you see payment complete. I will be sending it to with my other bank account, right? So other bank app, you can send it with your bank app. So guys, I already paid, right? So all I just have to do, I paid with my other account number, my bank account. So all I just have to do, once you paid, click here where you see payment complete. Then click here where you see these two places. Then you have to click here where you see here and here. Then click on confirm. Then automatically notify the seller that you already paid. So all you just have to do is to comment to chat the seller, the buyer, the seller. Tell that I have paid. Some will ask you for receipt, so you have to screenshot the receipt and send to them, right? If you ask me for the receipt, I have to screenshot it and send to them. So let's wait for him first. So guys, he asked me for the receipt, so the receipt of the payment. I just probably send in the receipt right now. So let's wait for him to release the coin. Let's go back. Once he release the coin, we'll come back. Let's just wait for him to release the coin. Release the USDT, right? So guys, the guy just released the USDT. You can see here completed. You can see here where it said completed and everything here. You can see completed. So what we are going to do right here is to go back. Let's go back. You can see we now have about $15 right here. So if you come here to where you see asset, click here where you see asset, right? So you can see that the fund we now have about 13. So what we are going to do right here is to buy Solana. So click here to where you see fund, then come here to where you see transfer. Mind you, please use if you want to download bybit, right, use my description, check the description to download bybit. So what we're going to do next is to transfer all this money to this. Make sure this fund account is on top while this unified trading is done. So what we're going to do here is to click here where you see mass. We are going to use all of them, but let's just use, let's just use 12, right? Let's use $12. Then click on confirm. So let's go back. It will automatically transfer that money to this on your unified account. This unified account is the one that you are using to buy the Solana. What you're going to do next is to comment where you see trade. Click on trade. Then comment to where you see this, where you see on top here where you see Solana to USDT. If yours is not showing Solana to USDT, you're going to click on it. Click on it and search it here, Solana. So click on it, you will see it here, Solana to USDT. Click on it. Then what we're going to do is to here where you see limit order right here, you click on it. Make sure it's on market. Your interface will look like this. Then all you just have to do is to screw this money right here, this place I'm screwing, just screw it to the end. Then just screw it to the end and click on buy. Then click on buy. So we instantly buy the Solana. So what we're going to do next is to come back to here where you see asset, right? Let's go to here. What we're going to do next is to come back to here where you see asset. Click on asset. Once we come to this unified account, click on it. You see that we already have our Solana. You can see our Solana right here. So what we're going to do next is click here where you see transfer to. Once you come here to this unified account, right, you see your Solana right there. You probably see your Solana, right? You see your Solana. So what you're going to do here is to click here where you see your Solana. What we're going to do is to click here where you see transfer. Let me go back. let me go back. Click here where you see transfer, right? Then make sure that the unified account is on top like this and the fund is down. So we are transferring this back to fund account so that we'll be able to transfer it to other exchanges. So what you're going to do right here, or transfer it to Phantom. What we're going to do right here is to change this place to Solana where you see Bitcoin. Click on it and you see Solana here. Click on Solana. So it's still loading. Click on Solana. Then we just have to put max. Once it's done, put max here. Yeah, you put max. Sorry, guess it's network. Then put max. Then once you just put max, then click on confirm. Right. So then let's go back to where you see it automatically transfer the Solana to fund. So what we're going to do right is to click here where you see withdraw. We are sending this money to Phantom wallet right now. Click here where you see withdraw. Then select the coin. You can see Solana right here. Select Solana. Then automatically take you to this place where you can actually withdraw your Solana. So let's go back to Phantom wallet. Come here to our new Phantom wallet we created. So on this Phantom wallet, you're going to find where you see Solana right here. Click on Solana. Then you're going to see here where you see this receive. Here where you see receive, click on receive. Then you're going to copy this your address. Copy it, right? Then go back to here. Go back to your bybit account. Then paste the address here. Paste the address. Then what you're going to do next is to select the network. Click on network. It only allow Solana network and the fee is about $1.57. Click on it, which is a lot right now. $1.75. Then what you just have to do here is to click here where you see max. Click on max. So click on max, or let's just do 0.3. Let's do 0.3. Then instead of all the $10, or let's just do everything. No, let's just do 0.3. I just want to do 0.38. Then what you're going to do next, make sure to always check this your address. Come back here to check your address is correct. 4-ish GZ-ish. 4-ish GZ-ish. So if you confirm it's correct, all you just have to do is to come here where you see withdraw. Click here where you see withdraw. So then click here where you see confirm. Click on confirm. Then they will send you code to your email. They will send you code to put to your email to verify. Click here where you see get code. Then they already sent me the code. So I'm going to my email now to put the code, right? So you can see the code right here. They send me the code on my email. I'm going to copy the code, right? Then I'm going to go back here. Then just paste the code right here. Paste it, and they also send me code to my authenticator. So I'm going to check my authenticator right now and use the code they send me. 7. Instead of using authenticator, you can actually use your number, right? Instead of using authenticator, you can use your number, but authenticator is more secure, like to secure your account. So you can see right here, it said withdraw application submit. Click here and see okay. So what we're going to do right now is to wait here. Our Phantom wallet, we're able to see our Solana. So I have to pause this video. Once our Solana arrive, then I'll continue. So guys, you can see bybit just notify us right now that our withdrawal has been sent. So if you come here to go back here, you can see that the money is already here. So what this means is that we already received our Solana. So you cannot use this Solana to trade. Check the description of this video. I teach you how you can actually trade meme, right? Check the video. Right, so don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell. So we actually use $13, right? They will not see $7. Remember that I did not put 0.06, right? 0.05. I only put 0.0 That's why it's already here. If you go back to bybit, you see the remaining. If you go back here to bybit, you see the remaining Solana. You can see the remaining Solana is here. You can see. Click here. The remaining one is currently. Remaining one is actually here. You can see the remaining Solana here. So guys, I did not use all of them. So now you are free to probably trade with your Solana to trade right now. So don't forget to like, share, and turn on notification bell for more videos like this. See you guys. Peace out. And also follow join Telegram. Join Telegram will be creating our token soon. Let me say we'll be launching our own token and also give signal about this and follow on Twitter too, guys. Peace out, guys.